You don't need a fancy camera to start a YouTube channel, and I'm going to prove it to you in the next 5 minutes. I'm Kathy. I'm 55, and when I started my YouTube channel, I filmed my first videos on this. That's it. No ring light, no mirrorless camera, no studio, just my phone. Now, I'll be honest with you. I have added things over time, but in the beginning, I started with this. Using your phone to film a YouTube video is like using an old wringer washing machine. Is it fancy? No. Does it have all the shiny buttons? Absolutely not. But it gets the job done. And when you're just starting, that's all you need. Your phone doesn't have to be a Hollywood studio. It just has to help you get the idea out of your head. Your audience doesn't care about cinematography. They care about you, your face, your voice, your experience, and your phone can capture every single word of it. First, always use the back camera. The back camera is sharper, it just is. I know it's awkward to film with it because you can't see yourself, but trust me, the difference is noticeable. You can use my Apple Watch trick that I talked about in this video over here, or do a quick test recording first. Here's what matters for the setup. You should have your phone at eye level, not looking up at you, not looking down at you. Eye level. It's more flattering and it feels like a real conversation. Film horizontal, not vertical. YouTube is a horizontal platform, so turn your phone sideways. Sit about 2 to 3 feet away. Second, get a tripod. This is one piece of equipment I'd actually recommend investing in. You can get one for under $20 on Amazon. I'll link the one I use below. It doesn't wobble and it holds your phone steady. When I started, I propped my phone against a stack of books on the kitchen table. Step 3, the lighting. Sit facing your window. Natural light on your face. Don't put the window behind you. That turns you into a silhouette and nobody can see you. No window, turn on every lamp in the room and position them in front of you. It's free lighting. And it's already in your house. And clean your lens before you press record. Takes 2 seconds, makes a real difference. Step 4, the sound. And this might be the most important step on this list. Here's the truth. Viewers will forgive okay video quality. They will not forgive bad audio. If they can't hear you clearly, they leave every time. The good news is you don't need a fancy microphone to start. Your phone's built-in microphone is actually pretty good if you're close enough to it. Keep your phone within 2 to 3 feet of you when you're filming. That's the main thing. What kills audio? Distance and background noise. So close the windows if there's traffic outside. Turn off the fan, turn off the TV in the other room too. Even the hum of a refrigerator can be picked up. Take 30 seconds before you film just to listen to the room. When you're ready to upgrade, and this is optional. When I first started, I used a simple clip-on lavalier mic that plugs right into my phone. It cost me about $30 and it made a noticeable difference. I'll link it below. But start with what you have. Get close to the mic, quiet the room, and that's it. Step 5, camera settings. And I'm going to keep this very short because I don't want you overthinking this. So turn portrait mode off. Portrait mode blurs the background. It can look a little strange on a talking head video like this. Just use your regular camera mode. Set your resolution to 1080p if you have the option. You don't need 4K. It creates enormous files and takes forever to upload. 1080p is more than enough for YouTube. Next, lock your exposure. On most phones, you can tap on your face on the screen and it'll focus and lock the brightness there. This stops the camera from randomly adjusting the lighting mid-video. On an iPhone, tap and hold until you see the AE/AF lock. On Android, it varies by phone. Just tap and hold on your face. That's it. 3 things. Off, 1080, tap and hold. Done. Step 6, the filming. You are going to mess up. You are going to start a sentence like 3 times. You're going to forget what you were saying. That doesn't mean that you're bad at this. It just means that you're new at this. The mess ups, they don't really matter. You can edit them out later or leave them in because they make you look real. What matters is that you pressed record. If you're over 50 and you've been waiting until you had the right setup, this is your sign that you already have it. Your phone is enough. Your story is enough. You are enough. And now you know exactly what to do. Phone at eye level, horizontal, face the window, quiet the room, 10-second test, press record. Your first video doesn't need to look perfect. It just needs to exist. Because once it exists, you have something to learn from. And that's how this starts. Not with the perfect camera, with your phone, your face, and your voice, and one honest reason to press record. I'm Kathy. I'm 55. I started with just my phone. Now it's your turn. I'm Kathy. I'm 55. And when I started my YouTube channel, I filmed my first video on this. Oh, I don't have a phone.